Is your Mac stubbornly refusing to transfer those precious photos or important documents to your external hard drive? Don't panic, because we're about to fix that. First things first, let's address the elephant in the room: permissions. Your Mac might be saying, "Nope, not allowed." To check this, right-click on your external drives icon on your desktop, or go to Get Info in the Files menu. In the Get Info window, scroll down to Sharing and Permissions. Make sure your user account has read and write access. If it says read only, click the lock icon in the bottom right corner to unlock the settings and enter your password if requested. Then, change your permissions to read and write. Still no luck? The next common culprit is file system incompatibility. Macs generally prefer APFS or macOS Extended, while your external drive may be formatted for Windows, such as NTFS. This often leads to the inability to write files. To remedy this, you will need to reformat the external drive. Open Disk Utility, located in your Applications folder, then the Utilities folder. Select your external drive from the left side of the window, and then click the Erase button. Careful, this will erase everything on the drive, so make sure you have a backup. Choose either APFS or macOS Extended in the Format drop-down. Name the drive what you want, and click Erase again. Now your drive is ready. After reformatting, try moving your files again. If it's still not working, double-check for any physical damage on the cable or drive, and that's it. You should now be able to smoothly move files to your external drive. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful Mac tips.